Let's see what this thing sounds like without the exhaust on it, huh? Wrap here. I've been running this for about 10,000 miles. I will say, I'm gonna put this off to the side, but this is what it looks like. You know, this is mainly titanium, and of course you get a spring here that hooks the two together. Pretty simple. They call this a lambda bung or plug. These you have to wire tie. I don't care how tight you put them. They will vibrate loose. And this one, I let it go too long, and it actually damaged the threads there. Okay. Another thing is that Graves sends this, okay, to mount the muffler part, or the muffler portion, I should say, and it started rusting. Just use your OEM. These are stainless, I do believe. It may even be titanium, I don't know, but I know they don't rust. It's probably overkill, but it keeps coming loose. So let's just ah, shit. Let's see what that feels like. So that's probably closer to 20. Well, son of a bitch. Guess what? It's loose again. Well, round two. We go again with round two. Like I said, this came loose again. We're torquing it down 20 pounds, Loctiting it, and wire tying it. I called Graves about it because I wanted to know the torque spec on this. They really didn't give me an answer. They said, you know, the exhaust, the headers are torqued around 14 foot-pounds. So he was kind of like leading towards around that value. I told him I torque at 20. He said 20 should have been plenty. It should have not backed off. So, with that said, we're going to take this back off and take a look at it. He said probably the issue is that there's too much slack right here, allowing this to back off. So, but we're going to try different methods here and see what works. I may end up having to replace this because of the few damaged threads on the end. So that's what's left over of the Loctite. Did not work. Apparently I need to Graves is, you know, US or domestic made, and they're easy to get talked to, easy to locate parts if you need it, and the customer service is there. So with that said, they have my business for lifetime. So when you get done twisting this, I found you gotta come in here by hand, real close, and then give it a twist. Make sure you go the right way, and that just helps tighten everything up. That feels pretty good. And then you want to turn this in or down or something so you don't get jabbed. I mean, at this point, I don't know what else to do. I think I'm gonna send that picture to Graves and say, hey, I used all 3 holes. I mean, these are tight. I mean, not much else I could do. Alright, so we got, let me see now, we've got 37,479 miles on it. So we put the exhaust on, going on 3 years now. So it's been a great exhaust. When the video was originally shot, that's back in 2022, it's now 2025, believe it or not, but I tried to burn this in myself. As you can see, it got a little hot right there, but oh well, I can deal with that. But the bung is still tight, never came loose. So we're good there. So it took 3 freaking ties to keep it in place. So, but yeah, this is exhaust been on here for going on 3 years. I mean, no issues. I mean, no leaks.